I've got a 2019 Ford Ranger here, and I'm going to use this truck to show you how to install the Ford OEM drop-in bed liner. So to start with, I'm going to show you how to put the tailgate cover on. The tailgate cover is retained by a total of 8 screws that are Torx, and they replace the existing screws that are already in the tailgate. So we're going to use a T20 Torx to remove the existing screws. You leave this screw and this screw installed. So now we take the tailgate cover, we position it, and I'm going to go ahead and put the 8 Torx bits in there. What you want to do is just set them in place and begin to thread them in. You don't want to go ahead and tighten them all the way because you want the cover to be loose so you can shift it around and center it. What I'm installing, it's this Torx provided in the kit with I think that's thread lock baked into the threads, and this plastic grommet piece here. So now I'm going to shift the tailgate cover around until I have it centered. And once it's centered where I want it to be, I can come back and tighten all of the screws, starting from the middle and going outward. And I like to apply the final tightening torque with a hand tool. So I've got the cover installed here. Now I can shift to installing the bed liner. Put your side down. All right. And you can pull it up. Yeah. You lift up on that. That's it. So now with the bed liner in position, we install these 2 pins here. They go on either side. Let me do this one. If the holes don't quite line up, you can push forward on the bed liner on this hump right here, and it will cause it to line up better. This one I've barely got in position, so to better line it up, I'm going to push forward on this hump right there. You can see I pushed it forward and it's lined up better now. Now the last thing for us to do, there's a series of holes in the bed liner. It's so you can access different tie down points. This truck is equipped with 4 of the 6 available tie down points. So for the center holes, we're gonna have to install a little cover here. This is the cover, and there are plastic push pins that come in the kit. gonna go ahead and install the pin so it's lined up. And then this cover, you just maneuver it into place.